What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now if you've been following the channel, you'll know that a couple of weeks ago we had this gorgeous matte paint, ceramic coated. And today we're going to do a first time wash of the car. We're going to find out exactly how much easier it is to wash a ceramic coated car. Like any good wash, we're going to start off first with the wheels. So I've got my dedicated wheel bucket and auto wheel, which is brilliant. I will leave a link in the description for all the products used in this video, but you just spray it on. Oh, undo it first. So you cover the wheel, cover the face, get in there with the calipers, get a little bit on the tyres as well. And then really you just wait and let it dwell, and you can probably see already, it's already turning purple. That means that it's picking up all the dirt and grime and brake dust, and we're going to wash it as well with this wash bucket, but it will just add another level of cleaning. But remember, we got these wheels ceramic coated, so these should be much easier to clean than normal, but we shall find out. So it's been dwelling now for a couple of minutes, so we're just going to give it a little bit of agitation now with this brush, just to help with the cleaning process. So you can just go around and you can really see the colour. And obviously these are the AMG forged wheels, so they do have a lot of spokes, so they can be a bit of a pain to clean sometimes. But really you just want to go all the way around, get in there with the calipers. So we've got these gorgeous, ginormous red calipers. And then you can go around the tyres a little bit as well. Now I think it's time to rinse it off. And then once we've rinsed it off, we're going to use this bucket here and we're going to clean them even more. Right, now it's time to use the pressure washer and pressure washer this off. If the ceramic coating's doing its job, it should just fly off. But let's find out. So let's take a look at the wheels. I mean, you can tell these wheels have been coated because you can see it's actually beading on the wheel. But yeah, they look pretty clean already. So we're actually going to go overboard and we're going to clean with the bucket as well because we want to make sure that these are fully clean. But yeah, I think they're going to be much easier to clean now with the ceramic coating, which is great news because if anyone owns these matte AMG forged wheels, you will know they can be a bit of a pain with brake dust and especially cleaning because of all these spokes. Right, now we're going to use our bucket and we're going to give the wheel a proper clean. So I've got this super soft, it's really safe. I did tons of research before I bought this. This is going to be for the face of the wheel. It just really helps getting it nice and clean. And then we've got the brush as well, which will help us get, I mean, we haven't got lug nuts here, but if you have lug nuts, it's great to get in there. So yeah, so this is just a solution of the matte soap we're going to be using on the bodywork, just an extra level of cleaning. So just going to go around really and just make sure that every part of the wheel is nice and soapy and clean. And you can see the water just flies off the wheels because of the ceramic coating, which is great. And then you can do a little bit on the tyres as well, going round. But really, you don't need a huge amount of cleaning power when you've got ceramic coating. And if you want to go one step further, you can get a wheel woolly and you can do the barrels. I'm not going to go in too far because they're not super dirty anyway. But you can go in a little bit with the brush if you just want the visible bit. Right, now we're going to pressure washer that off. So again, let's see what happens. They look great already. I mean, just look at all that beading and sheeting. You can tell they've been coated. When I've washed these wheels in the past, the water just sits on there. So definitely easier to clean. We'll know when they're dry, but I think they're basically cleaned already. Right, now it's time for the most fun part of the car clean. We, of course, are going to be snow foam in the car. So I think we're going to go slow motion, so it's going to look amazing. Well, that was an interesting experience. So usually when you snow foam a car, it sticks to the car nicely, but because of the ceramic coating, we had a gust of wind and it just shot everywhere. It covered me, it's gone now, but yeah, the ceramic coating is definitely doing its job. I can't wait to see what happens when we wash the car and of course dry it. So let's keep going. Right, now it's time to rinse off the snow foam and see how clean the car is. Now, obviously we've got the ceramic coating, so I'm expecting it to clean the car a bit more because, you know, snow foam is a fantastic pre-wash, but it never actually cleans the car. So we're gonna see what happens with the ceramic coating. We're gonna rinse it off. So let's do it. Right, so that's the first side of the car. You can see the crazy water beading and sheeting. It's just flying off the paint. Do you know what? It looks like it's actually done a pretty good job at cleaning the car. I mean, you never know because until the car's dry, you can't really see if it's dirty, but that's impressive. It's definitely doing its job with the beading and sheeting. Oh, it's sheeting and beading so much that it's covered your lens. Right, now we're on to the next part of the wash. We're going to be using the wash mitt, standard 2-bucket method. Let's see how easy this car cleans. Okay, so just rinsing out now with a 2-bucket method, and we just did the other side of the car, and as you probably saw in that montage, the way it just glides along the paint and you can see all the water and all the soap dripping down. The ceramic coating does an amazing job and it makes washing the car an absolute pleasure. So if anyone is thinking about getting their car ceramic coated, I highly recommend it. Also as well, I did 500 miles almost this weekend in this car, and normally it'd be absolutely filthy, and as you can see, it's not that bad. So the coating also does a great job at keeping your car clean as well. So we've been busy washing the car, we've been using the camera to get some really cool angles, and much respect to people who film car detailing videos because it's a lot of work filming and washing a car at the same time. And we started off really early in the morning so the sun wouldn't affect us, but it's starting to get a bit warm now, so we have to move quickly. We do not want water spots to start drying on this car. So any tips if you're washing your car, do not wash it in direct sunlight midday. Morning's fine, but it's taking a bit longer than we thought, so we've got to move quickly, and I'm just going to keep rinsing the car. I'll tell you what though, I cannot get over how much the water is just repelling off the paint. I mean, look at this. It just is bombing it down to the floor. Now I know people do waxes and coatings on the car and they do the sheeting test, but you know, we had this done about a month ago now and it's as strong as ever, and yeah, it's just making washing the car so much more fun. Right, so that's all the soap off and the car is already looking stunning. One thing we need to do now to finish this off is go around all the lower parts of the car. They're the ones that attract the dirt the most, so I tend to do those with the wash mitt last because you're more likely to pick up any kind of grit or dirt, and you don't want to scratch anything above. So wash mitt in the bottom all around the car, and then we're done. We're going to dry it. Can't wait to dry the car. I think that's when the ceramic coating is really going to shine, because the water's just going to soak up and fall off the car. Okay, now it's time to dry the car. This is the bit I've been looking forward to the most. I think it's going to be so satisfying seeing all the water come up and soak in here because of this amazing ceramic coating. So we're going to start off with the bonnet first. So I've got this ginormous towel, which is really handy. Pop it on here and pull. And look at that. It's completely dry. I mean, if you compare both sides, that is so nice. So we'll do the same again. It's a bit windy. Pull. The whole bonnet is basically almost dry in just one. We've got a few little bits of spots here because it is sunny. And like I said earlier, don't wash your car in the sun unless you absolutely have to. We started off really early before the sun was hot. But of course, when you're filming, everything takes twice the amount of time. So we should have been done by now. But the things we do for YouTube and videos. So we can do the top now as well. Oh, it's just so satisfying. It's just seeing the water literally just disappears wherever the towel touches. You don't have any lines or streaks. Just going to go around the whole car now and dry it. I mean, I used to hate drying the car. That was my worst step because I just used to, you keep rubbing and it keeps streaking, but with the coating, it just comes straight off. And it feels so lovely as well. And if you're not a car guy and you're watching this, you're probably thinking, why is he so excited about drying his car? Well, I know the ones will understand. It's just a lovely process. So we're going to go down here a little bit further. Oh, just look at that. It is ridiculous how easy the water's coming off. It's like, yeah, as soon as the towel touches it, it just soaks it up. Do the window as well. This is going to look amazing. Yeah, I normally, I probably should be thinking a bit more and going around the car in more of a planned fashion, but I'm just enjoying myself right now and just soaking it in, just like the towel. So yeah, just finishing up the side now, going a bit lower. Obviously it's dripping. We could do with an air blower, but you know, I don't have an air blower, but if you do have an air blower, you can blow into all these gaps and it stops the water dripping down, but we'll just go over it as we do. But yeah, I'm not having to apply hardly any pressure at all, which is great, which means I'm not going to scratch or damage the paintwork. It's just completely absorbing all of the water because it's sitting so on top of that coating, a bit like a piece of paper that's been laminated. That's how I described it in my ceramic coating video. But if we go around the back now and we look at all the details like the badges, we'll just run along and just see the water completely disappears and leaves no streaks at all. It's so satisfying. Celia, yeah. Do you want to help dry Daddy's car? Yeah, you hold it with me here. Look, here we go. You got to get the drips. So we just move it along. Here you go. That's it. This way. Nice and gently. Oh, is that good?
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera.
I've got wet hands.
Oh, quick, dry them. Oh.
More wet hands.
More wet hands. So what do you think of the car? Does it look nice and clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's this?
A
This is your special camera necklace. Can you walk around the car and it will do like an Amelia point of view? That's it. Walk all the way around the car. All the way. Round the back. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, right, we're going to spray it first.
Okay.
This is a special sealant. This is going to help us dry the wheels and it's going to seal them, okay? Ready? Quick, quick. Oh no, quick, dry it. That's it, dry it, no, remember gently. Don't do the wheel, just do the wheels, not the tyres. That's it, go round. Oh, good drying. Right, should we do the next wheel now?
Yeah.
That's it, quick, dry it.
I'm very lucky I'm doing this with you.
Oh, are you having a nice time?
Let's do a little one.
Okay, next wheel, come on then. Are you doing it carefully?
I'm doing a good job.
Oh,
I'm doing a good job.
wow, well done. Is it dry?
Not yet.
Okay. Let me come in.
You need to spray that one
Yeah, should we spray it?
Look,
Quick, dry it.
Careful now.
See, a ceramic coated car is so easy to clean that even a 3-year-old can do it.
Yeah, because we need to clean one.
Yeah, oh, this is looking nice and clean now, isn't it?
But
Now,
what's that there?
oh, that's the Michelin Man.
That's the boogie man.
The Boogie Man, come have a look. Is this the Boogie Man?
Yeah.
This one here?
Yeah.
Oh, Amelia,
Yeah.
we need to move Daddy's car. Would you like to drive Daddy's car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to drive. Look at the camera and tell it what you want. You're going to drive, look, you're going to drive Daddy's car?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Right, Amelia, are you ready to drive Daddy's car? So first you need to press this button.
Hey.
Yes, quick.
Open the door.
Right, me first. Oh, come on in.
I want to drive.
Oh, you can drive. Are you ready to do some driving?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, right. Daddy needs to do the wheel because we'll crash. Okay, you ready? We're going to go this way.
I want.
You ready? Whee! Wave.
James.
So there we have it, guys. That is the first wash of the car with the ceramic coating, and we had a little guest to help us out, and Amelia is going to help us by telling us if the car's looking nice and clean or not. So we can have a walk around the car now and you can see if we did a good job. So how's the car looking, Amelia?
Good.
Yeah. Who helped wash the wheels?
Me.
Yeah. And look, it's all nice round here. Do you want to see the back?
Yeah. You already did these bits. I'm not what?
Oh no, don't show that on the camera. We missed the spot. Quick, round this side. Wow, look how clean it looks. Is it clean?
Oh no.
That's just a bit of dust from the, oh gosh, she's a proper critic, this one. That's okay. It's just a little bit of dust from our drying towel, a few bits of fibre. But if you come back here, look, if we come all the way back here and we look at the car from here, how does it look? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many stars would you give it out of 5? She's off. Media, don't go into the road. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Tell everyone to subscribe.
Guys.
Subscribe.
Oh,
Oh, that was naughty. Right, you go see Mummy. So there we have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. God, my daughter is a tough critic. She spots all the imperfections in the car. I'm going to bring her with me whenever I pick up a new car so she can tell me if there's any damage on it, because she's going to spot it. Overall though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button because it really helps the channel out. And of course, we've got loads of exciting content coming with this car and also some really exciting stuff that I'm going to be announcing on the channel as well to do with Mercedes and more cars for the channel. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.